Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter statistics, exercise 13.1, question 2 and question 3. The question is, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. The data given to us, this is the data given to us, and we need to find the mean daily wages of the workers by using an appropriate method. Now, this is the data given to us. The first step is find sigma fi. Sigma fi means add all the values of fi. Sigma fi will be equal to, if you add all these, we'll get 50. Sigma fi is 50. That is the first step. The second step is you have to find xi. Xi means what? The class mark of the class. So we have to add the lower limit, upper limit, divide by 2. So 500 plus 520 divided by 2. So what we get? 1020 divided by 2. So we will get 510. 510 is the class mark of this class. So 510. Next, 520 plus 540 divided by 2. So we'll get 1060 divided by 2. So it will be 530. So 530. And we can write the remaining ones the same way. It will be 550, 570, 590. They are the class marks. Now, since the values of fi, xi are not small, they are large values. So we have to go for the next method, not the direct method. We can't use it here. We will go for which is the method? Assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. So for that, you have to find out the value of d. Di. Di is equal to xi minus a. A is equal to xi minus a. Now the value of a, we have among these xi's, we have to assume one value to be a. You will take 550 as a. So a is equal to 550. Now you have to find the value of di's. Di is equal to xi minus a. That means xi is 510 minus 550. 510 minus 550. What we get? We get minus 40. Minus 40. Again 530 minus 550. We get minus 20. 550 minus 550, it is 0. Again 570 minus 550, 20. 590 minus 550, you will get 40. So it is minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20 and 40. Now you can see that there is a common factor for all these di's. When there is a common factor, that is 20 is the common factor for all the di values. So we can go to the step deviation method. Suppose there is no common factor, we should use only the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method can be used only when there is no common factor for all the di's. In this case, we have got 20 as a common factor. So we have to go for step deviation method. Next, we have to find out the value of ui. Ui is equal to di divided by h. Di by h. Now the value of h is what? We'll take, because 20 is the common factor, we'll take h is equal to 20. So we have to divide it. Minus 40 by 20, we get minus 20. Then minus 20 by minus 20 by 20, we get minus 1. 0 by 20, we get 0. Next 20 by 20, we get 1. 40 by 20, we get 20. So the value of ui minus 20, minus 1, 0, 1 and 20. Now the last column, we have to find out the value of fi ui, fi into ui. So fi ui. So 12 into minus 20, that is minus 240. Next 14 into minus 1, that is minus 14. 8 into 0, 0. 6 into 1, that is 6. 10 into 20, 200. Now we have to find out sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui. You would add all these and write it here. It is minus 48. How to add them? First you solve the minus parts, then solve the plus parts, then if you subtract them, you'll get minus 48. If you solve this minus 240 minus 14, we will get minus 254. Then plus 206. If you solve these two, you will get minus 48. Now we have found the value of sigma Fy Uy to be minus 48. Sigma Fy is 15. Now we'll put the formula for mean. This is the formula for step deviation method, because we have used the step deviation method. So A plus sigma Fy Uy by sigma Fy into H. So the value, the A was 550 plus sigma Fy Uy was minus 48 by 50 into 20. That's equal to 550 plus we'll get minus we can cut off the zeros here. So we'll get minus now first 2 can divide these two numbers, so we'll get minus 24 by 25 into 20. That's equal to 550 plus minus 480 by 25. So if you open the bracket, the plus into minus is minus. So we'll get 550 minus 480 by 25. If I can divide both numbers, so 550 minus 5 eighths of 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45, 5 6 are 30, 96 by 25. No, 5 now. 5 is 25. Okay. Now we'll go for cross multiplication. 5 ones are 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25 to 27 minus 96. That's equal to 13270. It's completely wrong. So here you will get 2654 by 5. We divide it, we will get 530.8. So the mean daily wages of the workers are therefore the mean daily wages of the workers is rupees 530.8. The question 3, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing F. So they are given the data. The daily pocket allowance 11 rupees, 11 to 13, the 7 children get it. 13 to 15, 6 people get it. 15 to 17, 9 people get it. 17 to 19, the 13 people. 19 to 21, F. We have to find the F. This is the data given to us. So the given data, we have to find the F. So first step is find the sigma Fi. So if you add all these, we'll get sigma Fi is equal to 44 plus F. 44 plus, add all these, we'll get 44 plus F, sigma Fi. Next, we have to find out Xi. Xi means what? The class mark. How to find? 11 plus 13 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. That's equal to 12. You will get Xi is 12. So here it will become, it will be 14. It will be 16. 18. 20. 22, 24. They are the Xi's. Then find Xi Fi. Fi into Xi. 7 into 12, 84. 84. 6 into 14. This also 84. Get 144. 13 into 18. 234. Here f in 20 is 20f. 20f. 5 into 22, 110. 4 into 24, 96. Now you got to find out sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is equal to, we get 752. 752 plus 20f plus 20f. So the mean has been given to us. Mean allowance is equal to rupees 18. Rupees 18. This is given to us. So the formula for the mean is sigma fi xi by sigma fi is equal to 18. So this sigma fi xi is 752 plus 20f divided by 44 plus f is equal to 18 by 1. Now we will cross multiply this way. So 18 into 44 plus f is equal to cross 752 plus 20f. You will get 792, 18 into 44 plus 18f is equal to 752 plus 20f. To transpose 20f to the left side, this to the right side. So 18f minus 20f is equal to 752 minus 792. You will get minus 2f is equal to minus 40. We'll divide left side, right side by minus 2. So minus 2f by minus 2 is equal to minus 40 by minus 2. Minus will get cancelled here. So f will be equal to, minus got cancelled, 20. This is the value of f. So the missing frequency is 20. Therefore, the missing frequency is 20. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.